Hi, Welljobs is a non-profit initiative intended to bring help to academics, students, corporations, governments, and individuals by creating a framework where they can share their own datasets from Cuenca and Quina and maybe some other cuencas here in Argentina, allowing them to perform correlations, download cards in order to bring better models to their projects, and also not only by uploading or downloading information. Welsh's framework also scans many data lakes here in Argentina belonging to the hydrocarbons business. For instance, once a month we track all of the OPEFI related sites. We download, process, and sort in our databases many of the information you may have to take into account when creating your own projects for modeling, for correlating, and anything you wanted. Also, once a month, we perform a complete download of the Ministerio de Energía capítulo cuarto data, and so we process all of this bunch of datasets, we store it in a table. So by doing this, we allow the users to get all the history of productions, oil, gas, water, and many other parameters just by sending an email to welldata@outlook.com.ar, and in the subject you can put a comment in the subject. If you go to a website, you can see which kind of comment you can enter in the subject of the email. And as soon as you send the email, a couple of seconds later, you will receive a feedback with the bunch of data you are looking for. For instance, imagine that you are performing some kind of correlation in certain point of the cuenca. So you know the coordinates, and you wanted to know within a certain distance from these coordinates, which is the gamma ray value of any window, that window. So you send an email to welldata@outlook.com.ar, and in the subject you put get northing, easting, the radius, the top logging interval, the bottom logging interval, the list of curves like gamma rays, spontaneous potential, resistivity, whatever, and some other things, and you will receive a zip file, plenty of data belonging to this area you wanted to know. Also, you can bring all the history of production data, monthly production data of anywhere in Argentina by doing the same, sending an email to welldata@outlook.com.ar, and in the subject you put get space production space and the name of the well. In a couple of seconds you will receive an email with the history of productions of oil, gas, and water of this well, or you can also put just some part of the name of the well, and you will receive an email with the history of production of any well that has this string on its name. I hope this can help you, and let's see some examples in here. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I'll show you how Welljobs framework works and how you have to do in order to retrieve data sets from the framework. Once you know the coordinates where you want to look for, and you just send an email to welldata@outlook.com.ar. You write in the subject get the northing and the easting, and in Gauss coordinates. Now the radius of the circle within this space. So let's say you want to look for wells within 2000 meters from this point, and with a top logging interval of 0 and a bottom logging interval of 2000 meters. Let's say you want to retrieve gamma ray, resistivity is 60 inches, compression now, Stonely, and some porosities. Okay, let's say you want all of them. So even though some may be with null values, you want all of them. So this means all. If you put here instead of all, you put no null, it will bring you only the curves, the channels that are no null. However, we want all of them. So get northing, easting, radius, top log interval, bottom log interval, curves, and format. Okay, let's send it. Okay, and it's 46 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll show you, this is our LinkedIn site. Here you can see all the news coming from Welljobs, and this is our Wix site. You can use this Wix site in order to upload and download data. Also, you have here the instructions on how to do the things, and also we have here a forum where you can give us some pieces of advices, or I don't know, or get all the last news from Welljobs. And apparently it's done. Let's see here. No, 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 no. Yes, here it is. It found 6 files. So let's download them. Here we have these files. Let's put in this demo. Let's use this one that apparently has the most of the data, and let's feed this one with this one. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Let's close it, and gamma ray, here you have resistivity, compressional, Stonely, porosity. Okay, and that's it. It's easy, isn't it?